Hello wonderful people, welcome back once again to my channel. Hello wonderful people, welcome back once again to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Hetkem. I am a makeup artist in real life and I also do makeups here on YouTube. So if you like to embark on this journey here on YouTube with me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. It's warm here. What? So normally anytime I'm doing a makeup tutorial, I just go in straight with the product, but today is quite different than what I normally do here. So I'm starting off using as my I just want to cleanse my face a little bit before I do my makeup. I have a skincare routine already shot, but I don't know when I will release that video. But this is just by the way. Today I'm doing something contrary to what I have been doing on this channel. I would like to do something different or try something. My foundation routine, I just want to change it. So I will start with my foundation, but since it's hot, it's really warm, so I will just protect my skin by using translucent powder to go all over my face. So afterwards, I'm about to color correct, and you know, as always, this is what I use to color correct.
It's been a while since he has left.
Honestly, it feels so different than like highlighting and contouring before. Like my eyes, I haven't done that before, never, not even like privately. But I was just curious, I wanted to try something new. So now I'll let my powder sit for a while whilst I do my eyebrows. I haven't done this method of makeup like foundation and concealer before doing my whole face, but I just wanted to try something new. So if it comes out bad, it'll turn out bad. Yeah, let's just try it and see. Then I'm going to go in with a more darker shade.
Never worked for me. Now I don't really mind. There's nothing wrong with needing you. Anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time. But baby, it doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's just someday.
So as you can see, my eyes are done. Let's just get rid of the powder and then
It makes me terrified of showing it to you. But my best friend always says that if you're right for me, you'll never leave. And I'm hoping that it's true. So